Hi everyone, this is a technical analysis on USDJPY. Let's start with a fundamental overview first. The USD weakened across the board in the first part of the week, but managed to erase all the losses yesterday with an incredible rally. We haven't got any catalyst for the move, but there was no reason for the weakness at the start of the week either. Fed speakers this week haven't offered anything new and just reiterated that the labor market weakness forced them to move towards neutral. This means that if we were to get stronger labor market data, the Fed could start to turn more hawkish again, and we might not get another cut in October or December. Looking ahead, we have the US jobless claims report today, and good data will likely give the greenback another boost. Weak data, on the other hand, could lead to a pullback. The biggest event will be the NFP report next Friday. On the JPY side, the BOJ kept interest rates unchanged as expected last week, but the market got surprised by two members voting for a rate hike. The yen initially rallied, but once Governor Ueda started speaking, the gains began to fade and eventually got erased completely as Ueda downplayed the dissenting votes. Now on the daily chart, we can see that USDJPY is probing above this key resistance zone around the 148.50 level. This is where we can expect the buyers to increase the bullish bets into the 151 handle, while the sellers will look for the price to fall back below the resistance to pile in for a drop back into this major trendline next. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that we have this minor upward trendline defining the bullish momentum on this time frame. If we get a pullback, the buyers will likely lean on the trendline with a defined risk below it to position for a rally back into this 151 handle. The sellers, on the other hand, will look for the price to break lower to increase the bearish bets into this major trendline next. On the 1-hour chart, there's not much else we can add here, but if the dollar's momentum remains strong, we should see the buyers piling in on the break of this recent high at 148.92. These red lines define the average daily range for today. For the upcoming catalysts, today we get the latest US jobless claims figures, and tomorrow we conclude the week with the Tokyo CPI and the US PCE report. Keep also an eye on Fed speakers.